Hi viewers, welcome to the Guitar Trainer channel. Today's class we are going to learn about changing chords. This is actually for beginners. Okay, I have different types of age group students, kids, youngsters, adults. What I observed from them is, when I noticed, they are able to understand while we teach about the musical notations, playing notes and all. But when we teach chords, they are able to understand, but they are not able to change them fluently. Okay, that's why we created this lesson. Just we are going to look about some easy chords. So just like that you can change them. So it will create some confidence in you if you start playing some easy chords, no? And then if you are able to change, it will create a confidence so that you can try the next level chords. Shall we go to the lesson? Before looking into the chords, we'll talk about few more things, which are the strings, the number of strings. See, the thinner string is the first string of the guitar. Okay, you should not count from the top. Thinner string is the first one. First string, second string, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6 strings are there. You have to count from this side, bottom to top, and then the fret numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it goes. You have to count from this side. Okay, and for pressing the chords, we'll be using our 4 fingers only. Okay, first starting from the index finger. Index finger is the first one, middle finger is second, ring finger is the third finger, little finger will be the fourth finger. We will not be using the thumb for pressing it on the fretboard. Okay, thumb will be supporting from the back side of the neck. So these are the things you have to remember: string numbers, fret numbers, finger numbers. Once you are clear with this, let's look into the chords. The first chord is the E minor chord, which is the easiest chord in guitar. So let's see how we can create E minor chord. First, what we have to do, just take your second finger, put it on 5th string, 2nd fret. Your second finger goes to 5th string, 2nd fret. Below that, add your third finger on 4th string, 2nd fret. 5th string, 2nd fret with your second finger, 4th string, 2nd fret with your third finger. That's all. You got E minor chord. On the right side, I strummed, but I'll show it later together. Just we'll look into this left hand part now first. Okay, and then the next chord will be A minor chord. How to move from E minor to A minor? You know, this is E minor. Moving to A minor is just simple. What you have to do, bring the same shape of fingers to the next strings. So now your second finger is on 4th string, 2nd fret, third finger goes to 3rd string, 2nd fret. And is it over? No. You have to do one more thing. Add your first finger also. Put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. It will be straight opposite to it. While you are keeping these 2 fingers, no, it will come just like that. It will be there on top of the 2nd string, 1st fret. So use it there. So now you will be pressing 3 notes. This chord is A minor chord. Got it? E minor. From E minor, just you move down a string and added 1 note, A minor. From A minor, the easiest chord which you can change is C major. What you do, don't lift all the notes, all the fingers. Just lift only your third finger. Just lift only your third finger. Put it on 5th string, 3rd fret. Put it on 5th string, 3rd fret. So you will get this chord is C major. Name of this chord is C major. Okay. So we have done 3 chords easily. Okay. Before moving to the 4th chord, we'll just have a look one more time. E minor. Just bring it down and add 1 more note. We'll get A minor. From A minor chord, just lift your third finger and put it on 5th string, 3rd fret. You will get C major chord. Now the next chord which we are going to apply is G7th. The chord is G7th. What you have to do, lift these two fingers, the second finger and third finger, just lift and remember the shape and do the shape same way on the upper strings. Now your second finger will be on 5th string 2nd fret, third finger will be on 6th string 3rd fret. Now earlier your finger will be on 2nd string 1st fret. Now while you are doing A minor, bring that finger to 1st string 1st fret. So this chord is G7. This chord is G7. Easy. So E minor, first chord is E minor, 2 notes, 5th string 2nd fret and 4th string 2nd fret. Just bring it down and add one more note, 2nd string 1st fret. So you'll get A minor. From there, just lift only your third finger and put it on 5th string 3rd fret. You'll get C major. From here, just remember the shape and move it up, and then put the first finger on 1st string 1st fret. So you'll get G7. Okay. If you want to write these things, you can write it down, or you can get it on the internet also, the shape of this, where to keep these fingers and all. Easy things available on the net, or I'll share it to you also. Okay. So now we have to strum these chords. You know where to hold these chords. Now you are going to strum. Okay. So first chord is E minor. On the right hand side, I am going to strum as 4/4. On this right hand side, I am going to strum the chords in 4/4 time signature. 4/4 means in each bar you will have 4 beats, counting like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, I showed 2 bars of E minor. Now let's try 1 bar. But it is not necessary you have to change on each bar. While practicing in the beginning, you can play for 2-3 bars and then you can change also. Okay, so let's try now. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? That's all. Now let's see about how to use our right hand. Okay, now we learned how to use our left hand for changing the chords. Okay, so the first chord is E minor, second one is A minor, C major, G7. Okay, it's not while you are beginning the practice, it is not necessary to play both hands and get confused. Okay, it will take little time for both the hands to synchronize together. Okay, so just like that, whenever you have free time, just do like this. What are the 2 notes for E minor? Just press and check. What are the other? How will you move to A minor? Just press and check. And then from there, how you can move to C major? Just like that, use only the left hand and check and get confirmed with the fretboard. Okay, what are frets you are pressing. So once you are clear with this, then right hand also you don't have to do in the beginning itself. You don't have to join both should come together. Don't think like that. What you do, just place your fingers on the fretboard, let it will get a muted sound. Just try the strumming what I told, 4/4 time. Okay, 4/4 time signature. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to get it steadily. Whatever you do, it should go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then while strumming, some people have a problem with the strumming also. They'll do strum like this and all. Okay, no need to do like that. Just for example, I can give a nice example. Just you are applying taking a bread and applying some jam or butter on it. How will you apply to make a thin film of jam? Just to make a thin layer, how will you apply? You will apply smoothly, the same way. Okay, just like that, you put your plectrum. Just use your plectrum and do it softly. Okay, this is how you have to strum. And then you can add once you are clear that to strum, then you can add the left hand. Okay, now let's join both together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I played all the 4 chords which we learned. Okay, so is it enough? No. Why? Because all the time you will not be getting the same chords in the same order. Okay, these all chords belong to the C major scale family. These are called as relative chords for the C major scale. So the order will get changed while playing for different songs. The order will get changed. Okay, so you can try the next level practice with this same 4 chords. What you do, just make C major chord as the first ones. Make C major as the first chord. Just start doing it, and then from C major you can move to A minor, just the reverse order. Earlier we moved from A minor to C major, no, that one. The same thing you are going to do it on the reverse order. C major, then A minor, then you can go to E minor, easy. From A minor just leave the first finger and bring your 2 fingers up. Okay, so E minor. From E minor you can easily move to G7 chord. Why? Because this will be easy. Why? Because second finger will be already there on the 5th string 2nd fret. So just lift your 3rd finger and put it on 6th string 3rd fret, and put your first finger on 1st string 1st fret, so that you will get G7 chord. And then while you try to finish, just finish on the C chord itself, so that you will get a clear opening and ending. Let's do it now. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that you can keep on repeating it. Same cycle you can repeat again and again till you get fluency. Okay, and then you started changing the chords, then you played it in different order. Now still you will look for the next level. No, for the next level you have to add different strumming patterns. For the same chord we can add different types of strumming patterns, so that you can make it more interesting. Those things we'll see in the next class. We'll see in the next video. Until then, bye.